Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have received some snaps on Snapchat and you want to be able to view them for more than one time. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to reopen the snaps that you have received. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First you need to get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply find Snapchat from here, only to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in the app. After that, you can quit the store and of course let's open Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account, and of course we need to head out to our chats and conversations by tapping here in the bottom or swiping to the left side. From here, find the conversation that you want to read the snaps from. I'm just gonna switch to mobile data just like that for no reason. You can still use Wi-Fi of course. Now from here, find the conversation where you have the snaps that you want to reopen. Let's say I want to try this conversation right here. Tap on the snap for once to open it. Well, I'm gonna find a snap that has no faces in it. Let me try this one right on top of it. So yeah, here it is. Once I tap on it and open it for once, I can quit, and let me show you how can you replay or basically reopen this snap. All you need to do is to tap and hold on that same snap, and from here just tap on replay, and just like that, tap again on the snap to open it, and you can view it for more than once, basically 2 times. Now if you want to view it for another time or a third time, basically you try to tap and hold again and you tap on replay in the bottom right here. You will be taken to this paywall where you need to pay to be able to reopen that snap for a third time, and that's basically how can you reopen snaps on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.